rồi. Xin 밑에 복하네 Doon sa tito na bang? Wi. Masing pa nga wi pa ni. Okay. Kaphalauta teossäällä. Fortsätt med Aldrin. Noksa ko isun tipota. Pangalaw mapakatitrepa. Yan ang kafo lang mo tutuhin. Kasi tumanimik lang ya. Ini tidak berahi. Langsung nol ya. Kan juga maklik soal nih, lihat nih. Down tengahnya. ba chung chan thei chiang an mani taksa kher khon zum tin ngai ning ei tu ne gì khác anh cái chân tuột nghe đi ta rất là lâu ta này thì tập hết After the sound of bell subsides, the Nomador reappears from behind the rocks where he was taking cover. He thanks you effusively in an unfamiliar language. Miss Scusi? Unfortunately, the man speaks dialect that is unknown to you, so you do not understand a word he says. You politely bid farewell and continue your journey. A unit of German soldiers is ducking behind sandbags up ahead of you. The soldiers are standing around in small groups and seem to be deep in conversation. They have not noticed you. Attack! Đầu thể chân tâu chả mang. Kat ni ui pa ni machine pathum saka pachuang silo. 이번 바깥을 왜 또 떠내 먹어? Down patah apa di loma? 메딕 대우로는 이번엔 타스마스바르를 잡네. 야, 우리 바카로 매도 그러네, 미도네.ที่来成为一名可以扶提到呢。反正漏饭。我踢到你不可踢到嘛的。Charles Wilson là phải là thế chết rồi này. Phải lắp con này ống về này. Itu crit chance sompan ini ya. Ini crit strength plus 12 tahun ini ya. Grenade damage plus 4. Critical chance itu sok lama. heal sounds already damage. Level up vessel thì chú dìa viết luôn mà này. Mà cần để bắt tặng này. The village is in a state of great excitement due to the arrival of a traveling merchant. The merchant waves you over and spreads his wares out in front of you. Sợ thấy á. Thế chắc có sợ ngầm đâu. Sợ thấy đâu nữa. Này nó đi này. Đã trả riêng. Armor hin mot honom. Laser box with armor. Kom ze daar om te gaan. After a long distance, you take a short rest in the shadow of a rock formation that protrudes like a lonely and admonishing finger on the monotony of the desert. You prepare to continue your journey after a short rest. As you gather your things, you discover some cloth-wrapped bundles in a nearby niche in the rocks. You untie the bundles and you're suspicious. Your suspicions are confirmed. You have come across the secret stash of some local grave robbers. A few less supplies. You hear a shout and you hear soldiers jump up from the shadows of the ruins. You die for a couple of moments. Moments later, the bullets begin to fly. Então harpa pop na naman. Planning phase. Jangan string bang wheel no low. Okay, no problem. Zit hem dagelijks zitten wij. teapot, Berlin Loma. Oh, bardzo chcę. Now we're on. These one can go here med med. Bakatsi tamta. Ninna helt thật lâu. Thật đó mà thế bakatsi ông ta. Trailpod. Kappalo aivan. Kyllä teillä. Này là pot ta. Gì là phiên uy âm lộ cho nó gì đó là cái này hả? Uy âm nó bối khác ta flex này wallet này mà. Xem thấy cái sản phẩm làm sao lâu à? Phải là. You are racing along the gravel track at full speed, enjoying the cool wind on your face when a loud bang breaks the monotonous sound of the engine. At first you think it is a gunshot, but as your jeep starts to skid, you realize you have a flat tire. With some difficulty you bring the car to a halt so you can take a closer look at the damage. You're going to have to change the wheel. You take the positive and retighten all the screws on your wheels before starting your journey. Over. The German scout you captured while you were sleeping told you about a bunker in the desert. He also mentioned an American spy being held in one of the bunker cells. It can only be your friend Morton. Rarely you sneak closer, but the bunker entrance is locked. There's no way through. You circle the complex and eventually find a ventilation shaft that you can squeeze through unseen. You sneak to the empty corridors. The bunker is deserted. To your great disappointment, both bunker cells are empty. Hoping for fun until you search the staff room, you are in luck. Interrogation protocol, Morton Lambert. Pursuant to our interrogation, we are now able to determine the precise position of the biblical Mount Ararat beyond any doubt. We will pass on the findings to the Armenian expedition. There is no need to delay the departure any further. We will have hand over the spy Lambert to Excavation Regiment Southwest for final processing. You quickly search the map table. There is Excavation Regiment Southwest is operating out of a fortified base to the west of your position. That's where you will find Morton. Use the supplies you find in the bunker to prepare a hearty meal with treated wounds and freshly oiled weapons you set off. Party current health replenish revive. Nice. Bekal ketua. Medical button if you can not have. Interest trading for some ammunition. Next one gas. The customs officer appears to have run out of gas during their cross-country trip. Since one gas for 6 ammunition. Since ko lang nga. Ito na. Ikaw pala. You reach the outer buildings of a small settlement. A surprise awaits you at the center of the village. It's a brand new jeep. A little tempered-looking man stands beside the vehicle. Angry man. I have a dozen good camels for this worthless heap of junk. Same beyond my head. Something's wrong with the jeep. Perhaps there's an opportunity for you. You soon reach an agreement. The man sells you all his gas at a reasonable price. Armor. Nice. How much kung mo siyang game eh. Repair till trauma, så repair till genom silva. See the fortified base of the excavation regiment southwest in the valley plain ahead. You have finally reached your goal. As you are considering how to take it through the heavily guarded entrance, you suddenly spot a lone Wehrmacht jeep approaching your vehicle. You hide behind the rocks and wait for the patrol to disembark, and you take them by surprise and tie them up. A short time later you drive into the German camp wearing borrowed uniforms. The bored-looking sentry moves your Wehrmacht jeep through with barely a glance. So far so good. Disguised as German soldiers, you search the camp complex. Morton must be here somewhere. Your hearts race as you pass unnoticed through the crowds of enemy soldiers. You suddenly notice a small motorcade setting off. As it drives past, you spot more than one of the cars. You immediately jump into a captured jeep and tag onto the end of the convoy as it exits the camp and head into the desert. After a few miles, the convoy stops at a smaller auxiliary base. You see Morton being led away. You don't have much time. Your friend's execution is imminent. Suddenly, you hear a shout. You have been discovered. You look at each other with grim terrors and load your weapons. This is it. At least for the first mission anyway. Pathum sila siya daw lek mana. Zangyama bi pathum. Machine panga sa kara staff, medical staff and say. Kaya pakhat panli pathum. Beli pangabag. Ujał bokiem nie dobrze. Woof woof, oh yeah. Panitsin tipota. Porukkalom. Oh, that's a porukka aptrave. Noktaan ja kateka. Tilea, det kan bali. Kaptrove pistolehan. Hilkeuppeka. Chứ không ta medic đây về chút chắc con khớp mà thiết giới sẽ là medic đây à bắt cho về khá chưa some turn anymore. When the guns finally fall silent and the smoke dissipates, Morton stumbles towards you. Morton, it's always good to know you and rely on your friends, although you took your sweet time about it. You won't believe what I got my hands on in Casablanca. Too bad Nazis took everything. Ah well, maybe another time. Before
Chattering excitedly, you stroll back to your Jeep. You get in and drive into the setting sun while Morton entertains you with his absurd anecdotes.
Kan, misal first mission kan auto ni itu na. Ni cik ha. Kan first mission kan auto cik kan director dang hau boka dam doin dang kan sok to ni itu mela kan Prince Berka do ya luve cik mela. แต่ปลิกันมั่งไทยต่อไม่เทแต่ก็จนที่ต้องขาตัวนักเขียนไทยจะนี่เสียตัวนักเกมเขียนฮีปาร์ทเวย์ดีเนี่ยEpic Games akan free tu nak kan free game dang po ran om nu la hei heng pel khel tu rangai la zong kha tung khel tu se la ba la tho don ne tra ba pa la